Hello aspirant. I provide anecdotes on UPSC PYQ. Mains essay topic. Let's start. First essay is: a ship in harbor is safe, but that is not what a ship is for.
Our first anecdote is about Thomas Edison, who began his career selling newspapers, candies and vegetables on trains. He was dismissed from his initial 2 jobs for being non-productive. However, he didn't let these setbacks deter him. He failed 1,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb. If Edison had chosen to avoid risk and continued his train-side business, he might not have achieved his life's purpose. Instead, he took the leap, faced the stormy seas of uncertainty, and he might not have achieved his life's purpose. Instead, he took the leap, faced the stormy seas of uncertainty, and ended up illuminating the world. Next, we travel back in time to the epic war of Mahabharata. Arjuna, one of the key warriors, faced a moral dilemma. He found himself up against his own kin and teachers, and the prospect of causing their destruction filled him with the dread. He considered retreating to the forest, a safer option rather than facing the battle, but that was not what he was meant for. Like a ship meant for the seas, Arjuna was destined for the battlefield. Moving on to our third anecdote, Nicholas Copernicus, the first person to propose a heliocentric theory, went against the popular geocentric theory backed by the church. He was ridiculed, called mad, and his book was banned by the Catholic Church. He could have chosen a comfortable life as an astronomer, but he chose to voice his beliefs no matter the consequences. His courage helped him fulfill his life's purpose and leave an indelible mark on the world. Lastly, you use the story of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who topped the Indian civil services at a young age. He could have lived a comfortable life as a civil servant, but he chose to resign and struggle for India's independence. His journey was fraught with challenges, including house arrest and escape to Germany under a pseudonym. If he had chosen a safe and risk-free life, we may not remember him today as one of the heroes of our nation's independence. To summarize, all these anecdotes illustrate that a ship in the harbor is safe, but that is not what a ship is for. Like ships, we are built to brave the seas, face challenges head-on, and fulfill our destiny. Thomas Edison, Arjuna, Nicholas Copernicus, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose all chose to venture into the stormy seas, and in doing so, they achieved their life's purpose and left their mark on history. So, dare to leave the safe harbor and